Alright, so we're pumping the ditch out. It wasn't supposed to rain last night, but middle of the night, torrential downpour, so ditch got flooded a little bit. A little puddle pump, pumping the water out. We'll put the electrical line in next. We let it sit for a few hours, let it dry out a little bit, then we'll go ahead and backfill. It should be fine.
Welcome back, guys. So it is Sunday morning and Josh just finished trenching in the solar to the shed, the well to the shed, and everything to the house.
Yeah, so it's a little tough too. Today was all shale. It was a pain. But we're done, so next step is we're gonna go ahead and put the pipe in, backfill, and start prepping for the concrete slab for the shed. We're actually prepping for 2 pads.
Yes, and we will talk about that a little bit more later on in this video. So are we ready to get started?
Yes, we are.
Okay, oh, there's one more thing though. Something came for you in the mail.
What? Oh no. What you got here?
So, I picked up our mail.
Okay.
I figured it would only be fair for him to open it live, so.
What is this?
Go ahead. Nothing's gonna jump out.
What did you do here?
I didn't do anything.
There's something inside there?
There's nothing inside there, I promise. Go ahead. Show everybody. Show.
Thanks, Mom.
She adores him, and she also really knows how to troll him.
I'm a hostess guy, but no big deal.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Put your shirt on.
I mean, come on.
Ate my spinach this morning.
That's the only thing she ate. Ha!
Glad you found your jokes funny.
So we just finished up the last of the pipe. It was the pipe that went from the well to the shed. You see that great cable we have with it? It's PVC coated MC. It's ready for direct burial. So that's there. That's gonna run the well pump. So now we're gonna start backfilling everything, and then we'll start prep for the slab. Alright, so we're done backfilling, so now we're going to go ahead and set the transit up so we can get our boards formed up for the concrete. What the transit does is make sure everything's the same height with the laser.
So it is Monday morning. We were up pretty late last night until like 9 o'clock or so. I went in with the kids and Josh stayed out here, made some shale runs.
Yeah, I was picking up shale at the tractor probably till about 10 o'clock last night.
Yeah.
That's when it came in. So yeah, you can hear Aaron's a little bit under the weather today.
Yeah, I've been sick for a couple of days, but it's all good.
Yeah, we'll be okay. So the plan is today, I don't know if you guys see my awesome shirt, but whatever.
Mom looking out for her baby still.
So the plan is today we gotta finish the prep on the slab, and concrete comes. It's gonna be here probably around 4.5 hours, so we gotta get to it now.
Yes, we're in a little bit of a time crunch, but we'll make it happen.
Let's see if we can make it happen.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. Gotta get. Alright, so the foam's down, rebar's down, everything's good. You can see we have a few blockouts with foam. There's no concrete going there. Reason behind that is when we get the wood furnace here and we have to get the special piping installed with it, that piping is very expensive, so I need an exact length on that. So all we did was blocked it out. When it's time to install that piping, we'll dig and undermine right there, pull the foam out, and run the pipe right on through to help heat the shed floor. So, and there's one more block out. That's because we did not get the extra 12-inch long nipple from Lowe's for that 1.25 inch. Slip of mind. So, but the next thing we got to do is we got to go ahead and install the 1/2 inch radiant heating tubing, PEX pipe in the slab. So, let's get it.
Everything's fine. Wouldn't expect any more from this. The situation's in line with every story that I heard of the burning bliss, and I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, trying to evaluate. Was it something that I did? Was it something that I couldn't quite handle right? An invitation to a thrill, a growing comfort that somehow it will be alright. And I wait, trying to appreciate, and I wait, wanting to
A little more water. Yeah, a little more water. That's good.
Okay, so that's it. It's been a really successful past 3 days.
It has. We've been at it, I think, first 2 days, 12-hour days, and today, 8 hours, and I think we're going to be done. It's 3 o'clock and we're done for the day, right?
Yeah, we're going to take the rest of the day off. We've got some errands that we need to run anyways, and
Yep.
normally running errands like that doesn't feel like a break, but after what we've done the past 3 days, it's sounding pretty nice to go do that.
Yep, and you sound kind of hoarse, too.
Yes, I've been sick this weekend, and
Yeah.
it's all right. I'm fine.
So we didn't do the 2 pads like we planned. We
Yes.
did the 1 pad for the shed. Where the other pad was supposed to be like a little bonus pad if we can get it done in time, and we didn't make it happen.
Yep.
That was supposed to be for, I guess, a chicken brooder.
Yes, it's going to be our poultry brooder. We're still planning on doing it, but we just We didn't have the time, and like Josh had said, it was a bonus thing. It wasn't a part of the original plan. So
No.
Yeah.
The reason why it's a bonus thing is because it was the same price for the concrete. 1.5 yards, 3 yards. They're going to charge you 3 yards of concrete regardless.
Yes.
So that's the only reason why we tried to make it happen. Couldn't make it happen, so that's it.
Yep, that's it. So I guess you have a little bit of finishing to do.
Yeah, I got a little more cleanup to do on that, and we're done.
Yep. So that's it. All right, guys.
Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, thanks so much for watching. You can tell we're tired, can't you?
Oh, yeah.
All right, thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time.
See ya.